Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Please remember guys to hit that like button, it means a lot. In today's video, I'll be making Cho Cho compot. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. In my previous Tutti Frutti video, I had mentioned that when my mother was unable to get the fruits that we're getting today, those exotic fruits, dried fruits, to make cakes and pastries, she would make her own. And she used fruits or vegetable. Now here's another vegetable that she used, and it's called Cho Cho back home. I'm going to show you what she did to preserve it for cakes and pastries. Now here we have some chayote, or Cho Cho as we call it in Jamaica, and I have two very maybe large ones would call that. Here we have a lime, but you can use lemon. At the back here I have some ginger, some lemon flavor, a bit of coloring, optional, and some sugar. We might need more sugar, but we'll taste as we go along. I'm going to wash and peel the Cho Cho. Removing the seed pocket. This white bit can be very stringy, so we'll remove it. Cut in strips and dice. Now it's time to start our compot. Now we add to the dry pan the Cho Cho or chayote, and at the bottom of the pan, this bowl, you might see a little water, and that is enough to start the steaming. For added flavor, I'll be using a piece of dried orange peel, and then some cinnamon stick. Not much, just a little piece. To this now we'll add a cup of soft brown sugar. You may use white sugar, but I enjoy using soft brown because it gives it flavor. We're going to cover and leave to steam for about 10 minutes. 2 minutes in, I'm going to give it a quick stir to speed up the sugar melting. Cover again, let it continue steam for the 10 minutes. Half teaspoon ginger powder, ten minutes up. Looking at it, yes, it's cooked. We're going to turn the stove to high again and allow it to dry out some more so that you get that sticky sauce. At this stage, it is done. Notice the bubbles are getting very small and bubbling quickly. So at this stage I'm going to squeeze my lime because I want a lemon flavor. I'm going to squeeze it. It goes in half first. Then I'll taste it to see whether or not it is good. Now we're going to turn our stove off and squeeze the other half of the lemon in. Half of the lemon in. Then you're going to use your fork and crush some of the pulp. Just crush it because you want it spreadable. You don't want them so thick, but not all of them. Leave some texture. Now we use this on our crackers or on our bread, and even in our fruit cake during Christmas. After you're satisfied, allow it to cool, and then you put it in your jar or your bottle. I wanted a little more lemony taste, so I add a half a teaspoon of lemon flavor. Now that it's cold, it's time to put in a clean jar. You can use any jar. Make sure it's sterilized and clean. And just scoop it in. Now here we have it, our Cho Cho compot. Now you could make a chutney from this by adding some more spices and pepper. Now this should be stored in an airtight container and placed in a fridge or in a cool place to preserve it for your fruit cake, and that's what I'm going to do. But you can also have it with your crackers or a piece of bread. It tastes similar to any jam. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.